Hey guys, it's Richard here. Today we will be showing you how to bulk the headlights of the Tesla Model Y. At the end of the video, if you like what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions about it. Let's get started. Once the headlights are cleaned, spray the headlights with soapy water, then peel the backing off the PPF, and then spray the PPF. We are doing a bulk install on the headlights today. Once placed on the headlight, we like to tack down the front of the headlight and then the area under it, just to hold it in place. Once those are down, we pull and stretch the back of the headlight so that there are no wrinkles in the PPF. Once everything is smooth, we squeegee it down and trim off the excess. When trimming the excess, make sure you have a sharp blade and let the weight of the knife cut the PPF. You don't want to be putting too much pressure or else you could potentially damage the headlight. Once all the excess PPF has been cut off, we spray the edges with alcohol and re-squeegee. This is the completed headlight. It's pretty much invisible, and you can't see that it's even on. We are going to move on to the driver's side now. This will pretty much be the same install. Clean the headlight, then spray the headlight with soapy water. Peel off the backing of the PPF, and spray the back of that as well. When it is on the headlight, squeegee the front of the headlight and the area under as well. To fix all these wrinkles, what we need to do is pull the film to the back, and once everything looks smooth, we can start squeegeeing it. Once everything is on, spray alcohol on the edges to help make the PPF stick and to prep for trimming. When everything is fully down, trim off the excess PPF. If you feel like the blade is getting dull, just snap it off and go on to the next piece. When everything is trimmed, spray the edge with alcohol and squeegee them again. Once finished, the headlight looks like there's nothing on it. Now you have protected your headlights against rock chips and debris. Watch our other videos on the Tesla Model Y and learn how to protect the rest of your vehicle. Check out our website for information, aftercare, and more. You can buy pre-cuts, rolls, and tools under our products tab. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. If you have any questions about the video, please feel free to comment. Thank you for watching.